So it's time to do a little more on this square body. First things first, we got to get rid of these ugly old running boards. Then we're going to do a little flip kit. For those of you that don't know, that means we're going to take the rear axle, which is currently underneath the rear leaf springs, set it on top of the rear leaf springs. Now lower the rear of this truck just a little bit. Just for giggles, we're going to call it 33. Let's just call it a 33 inches. So for a quick overview, we will need to be removing the lower shock mounts here, the tailpipe here, shock mount here, brake hose here. Take the drive shaft apart here at the U-joint. Take off the old U-bolts here. And here. As you can see right now, the rear end is underneath the springs. We're going to take the rear end and put it on top of the springs. So that's going to lower us this plus this. We'll measure it when we're done to see what that's going to give for us. Then we'll decide what's going to go next. So, with no further ado, we're going to get after it. We got this running board off. Now we'll go after this one. Got a little bit of rust under there. Here we go. So we got the rear end taken apart. Now we're going to put these brackets on top of the springs. The rear end's rolled up here for right now, out of our way. We're going to lower the front springs down, roll the rear end back, set it on top of the springs, jack the springs back up until it goes into place. Then we'll start putting it back together. The kit came with new U-bolts and new lower brackets also. Well, let's check it. There we go. We started at 33 and we ended at 27. Kind of like the way that's starting to look, but that's just the first part of the lowering. We have more in mind. So tonight we decided we'd start lowering on the front. First thing we did was we took everything off. Lower control arm off, upper control arm, spindle, all the tie rod ends, and the brakes. So we got all new parts, upper and lower ball joints, control arm bushings, upper and lower, 3-inch lowering spindles, and all new tie rod ends. We're going to reuse the drag link. Those don't ever go bad unless you wreck it. While we were taking it apart, we found what I suspected. It had a bent tie rod end on the right side. Well, we got the 3-inch drop spindles in the front. I cut one round out of the coils. I'm not so sure if it's low enough yet. We did the flip kit in the rear. I'm still not sure if it's low enough or yet. So that's what it looks like today. I'm going to put it back inside and maybe try some other stuff.